Hi, this is Cheryl of Majestic Wire Artworks. Today I'm trying something new. A couple of weeks ago, I had a craft supply company called Beebeecraft ask me to make some videos for them. In exchange, they are going to supply me with the supplies to do a tutorial. But they've asked me also to do a little mini video of me unwrapping the packaging and telling you what I have inside. So here we begin. This is my first packaging. So I was really surprised at how fast this package arrived because, yeah, it really only took I think it was less than 2 weeks. Okay, bubble wrap. Well, it's definitely safe. So when I was looking online, because I got to pick what I wanted to get to show you, also what I needed for the project I had in mind, their prices are just phenomenal. So you'll have to check them out. And I'm going to get to work with items that I didn't have before. Okay, there's my inventory list. So let's check out what's in this box first. I think I know what it is. It's kind of cool that it's in a special box. Oh, there they are. They shifted around a little bit. These are some handmade lampwork beads in the lentil shape. And that's the back showing, so that's not what they look like. There, isn't that gorgeous? I thought this would be a wonderful summer project to make because white and gold looks awesome on the beach. Great to show off a suntan, which I don't tan very well anymore. And they come in this beautiful box to keep them safe. Okay, so that was item number 1. And as promised, I will have the link to the items in my description, as well as the name of the company. Okay, and what this is and the price on this was just amazing. I have metal sensitivities, so I have to be careful what I get. And these are stainless steel lobster claws, and they are, does it say on there how big they are? Well, I ordered them, and they are, where is it? 10 millimeter by 6 millimeter. And there's 200 in this package. And I couldn't believe the price. Like, seriously. Especially for stainless steel. For all those people that have to excuse my nail. I hammered my nail by accident yesterday. And I have to get it fixed. Okay, so now I've got some stainless steel lobster claws, because guess what? I'm going to work with silver colored wire. Okay, and this is stainless steel chain. No, I can't get it out. Anyways, here it is. And I got it large enough to be able to fit some 20 gauge wire through. Hopefully I figured out the size accurately for that. And yes, I'm excited about using it. Okay, and then the last two items are wire. And this is Beebeecraft, but it's Beebeecraft wire. And I got my two favorite sizes. Okay, this is 20 gauge, which is, it's got both metric and 20 gauge. No, not sure what you call it. 20 gauge, as well as 0.8 millimeter. It's all there, and in inches as well. So all the sizes are there, and this is great. So what this is it is silver colored copper wire with a clear enamel on it. And my experience in the past with wire similar to this is I actually used wire like this to make my wedding necklace. I got remarried 8 years ago, and my wedding necklace that I made is still looks like new. And I'm pretty sure this is going to be exactly like that. So, and I hammered that wire, and I will be playing with it and see how durable it is. And we'll see if it's, I'm pretty sure it's exactly the same stuff, the same kind of wire. So I'm really anxious to try this out. And then 28 gauge. So my project, you might guess, is going to have some weaving in it. It's going to be not, I need to have time to get it prepared and everything, because you know me, I get my weaving done ahead of time to make it easier to do the video. And I just have to make sure that, well, and also to show it to you from the beginning, I have to make one in advance. So I'm going to have this video up shortly, but it's going to take a little bit for me to prepare the video of the actual project. But I will be having a link to the tutorial for the project in the description once I have it up. And I'll have links both ways. So, and I'll have the product links also in the description for all the items I used. So isn't that great? Another thing that's really good about this company, because I asked, I'm having a lot of people asking me, what tools do I use? And you know, the tools I've been using, the company I bought it from, they no longer exist. So I can't even tell you where to get pliers like I have. So I am going to be experimenting with their tools and showing it to you and giving you the links so that you know. I'll be picking what I think will work really well, and I can demonstrate it to you and show it to you, you know, because I'm kind of picky about the tips of my pliers and so forth and so on. So anyways, here we go, and thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy these little videos that I'm doing for Beebeecraft, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.